is pay attention to what gets rewarded. Look at social media culture. What gets attention? Looking busy, looking successful, looking like you're all put together, that life is perfect. Over time, people start performing their lives instead of living them. Value shifts from how life feels to how it looks. And so be conscious of what you reward in yourself and in others. Every like and share and comment or comparison is a vote. If you reward exhaustion and perfection, constantly output, you train yourself and the algorithm to value those things. Don't fall into performance traps. If you feel pressure to document, polish, or prove your life before you've lived it, pause. Ask yourself, would I still do this if no one saw it? The question pulls you back into agency. Deliberately reward what's quieter. Support content that shows process, not just results. Honesty, not polish. Depth, not speed. Because not everything that looks impressive is healthy or sustainable. And attention is one of the most powerful currencies we spend every day.